Ever wonder when you use your Galaxy S25 Ultra the most? Let's check it out with a weekly report. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Settings icon. Scroll down the screen to find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls, and then tap it. Next, tap Weekly Report icon at the top right. Scroll down to the Peak Usage Time section. Here, you will see your total screen time for the week and a color bar that shows your daily peak usage. The label above the bar explains the colors: gray for 0 to 15 minutes, light blue for 15 to 30 minutes, blue for 30 to 45 minutes, and dark blue for 45 to 60 minutes. Swipe left on this section to see your most used category with total hours and minutes. You can swipe left again to view the second most used category. And that's it. Now you can easily spot when you use your phone the most and what you are spending your time on. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.